Lord Shiva is considered to be the most unique of all Hindu gods and also the god of all. Lord Shiva is known as the god of mercy and kindness. He protects his devotees from all evil that are always around us. Do you know why Lord Shiva is called Neelkanth? According to the legend, during Samudra Manthan, while the ocean of milk was being churned by the Devas and Asuras, there appeared a dark sticky foam, the poison, halahal, that had the power to destroy the universe. When the fumes started to spread in the air and water, Shiva drank it to save the world. Goddess Parvati caught hold of his neck to stop the poison from entering his body, and so it remained in the throat, making it blue, and so he is called as Neelkanth.